guys, next up we've got Scott here is going to take a personal plunge into Prizm Choice Basketball. Good luck, good luck. Here we go. Let's see what we got. May the Zion or Ja be with you. Or Nebula. Alright, Dwayne Dedman. Silver. Followed by a silver of... Oh, Markelle Fultz. This is what we've come to see, boys. This is what we have come to see. Yes, sir. That is what I'm talking about. You know what? I had a feeling that we'd eventually see something like this. Congratulations, brother. Tiger Stripe. Rookie. Mr. Ja Morant. Monster. That is a beaut. Scott, very well deserved, man. This case is turning out to be actually pretty excellent from what we've seen here. That is awesome. What a piece. Next up, we have a Justin Jackson Sensational Signatures. I love this product. Like I said, it is the ultimate... I wouldn't call it feast or famine, but it is a... it's a roller coaster of emotions of a box break, that's for sure. Malik Monk, number to 88. All right, we saw this one earlier. Second one of these now out of the case. It is Matisse Thybulle. 76ers. Tricolor rookie. Saw the Tiger Stripe earlier as well. All right, then we have a Ray Allen tricolor. And I will finish it up with a Jonathan Isaac tricolor. And that will do it. Scott, congratulations again, buddy. Let's take a look at it. Tiger Stripe, rookie, Ja Morant. That is beautiful, man. Congratulations. Again, I'll get it out ASAP.